So you're probably planning to get an iPad Air 4, but you're wondering if you should go for the 64 GB or the 256 GB. So in this video, I'll be answering that question and I'll tell you which storage size you should actually go for. So I've done quite a lot of research and also I watch a lot of YouTube videos regarding the iPad storage size. So I just want to share what I have found so it'll be easier for you to make that decision. I'll be covering on two main things that you need to be considering when you're choosing the iPad storage. So the first thing is the pricing, and secondly it's about how you're gonna use your iPad. So let's first talk about pricing. So for the pricing, the 64 GB will cost you for around $600 and the 256 GB will cost you for $750, which is $150 more expensive. When you calculate how much each gigabyte will give you, the 256 version will actually give you a better value than the 64. But it really depends on what you actually want to do with your iPad. So now I'll tell you what storage you need based on what you want to do with your iPad. So for me, I have went with the 64 GB, and if you're a student like me and you just want to use it to take notes in class, whether you're using Notability, GoodNotes, or just other note-taking apps, then the 64 GB will be enough for you. So I've been using Notability every day for the past 6 months, and I'll show you how much storage it actually takes up. So as you can see from my storage, the Notability app takes up for around 380 megabytes, which is really not that much when you compare to the 64 GB that I have. I have also stored quite a lot of documents from my school on my iPad, and those files generally takes up small amount of space. Other than that, if you often stream your music and movies online, then the 64 GB will definitely be enough for you. And lastly, if you're someone who is interested in drawing and you want to use the Procreate app on the iPad, then I'll also recommend you go with the 64 GB. The file size will depend on the size of your artwork, and I think that it will be enough for most of the users. But if you're someone who takes a lot of photos and videos, then you definitely should go with the 256 GB. The 256 GB will also be the right option if you want to download a lot of musics and movies to watch offline. And if you're a gamer who wants to play games on the iPad, then the 256 GB will also be the right choice. Lastly, if you're someone who does video and photo editing, especially in 4K, then you will definitely need a lot of storage. So that's it for this video. Let me know down in the comments which iPad storage you are going for. And if you did find this video helpful, I would appreciate if you like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.